Hey, it's Isabel from theisabelsolution.com, and you just caught me answering the same email I answer all the time from my readers and subscribers. Can I drink alcohol on my fat-burning plan? Well, you know what? I'm sorry. The answer is no. You should definitely reduce the amount of alcohol that you're drinking each and every day. So if you're having wine with dinner and you really want to burn fat, you gotta let it go. Look, I don't make the rules. I just follow them. I like my wine too. Even a beer with my barbecue every once in a while. But if you really want to lose the weight, you've got to reduce the drinks you have in a week to 1 to 2 drinks maximum. Look, I promise once you get to your maintenance weight, you'll be able to have more drinks than that. But if you really want to burn fat, you really got to decrease the amount of alcohol you're having in a week. Again, this is Isabel from theisabelsolution.com. To create your own fat-burning meal plans, visit the link right here.